sound decibels. Again. Right at 91. One more. One more. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna straight pipe it and put 6-inch tips on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, 2017 Jeep SRT Beast. We did a little bit something different on it. Really nice, beautiful vehicle. As you guys can see, still got the factories there, converters. Then we did a mid delete, added a 3-inch X pipe in and out. Then continued his 3-inch pipe out the back. And then we deleted the rears there and there and put massive 6-inch tips to complete the look. I think looks like a freaking beast, guys. Look at that thing. Wow. And that's the factory openings, guys. So they do fit 6-inch tips, just in case you guys didn't know. And why we went with the long, big tips, it deepens the sound with the straight pipes. Just gives it a really distinctive sound. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And here's the mid that was on it right there without an X pipe. And there's the rears that were on it with the tips. We took all that off and just cleaned it up for them. Took some weight off, make it sound good too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Oh, that sounds so good. Look at it. Go ahead. Get on it on the floor. Get on. 150. It's probably about 150. Again. Go and back it out. They look so good on that car. I like it. Go big or go home. That sounds really nice. Very nice indeed. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Fully straight pipe with an X pipe and 6-inch massive tips to complete the beautiful look of this car. Just beautiful cars, very quick too. They need exhaust to sound good. Enjoy, guys. We got a full house today. I love it.